You a bad one. Make me go crazy, you a bad one. Need you in my bed all night long. Girl, you drive me crazy till the early morning, You a bad one. Make me go crazy, you a bad one. Need you in my bed all night long. Girl, you drive me crazy till the early morning, Shawty. Oh my baby, give me love and make I enter. Oh, your body is so good, I wanna enter. Don't you hesitate, my girl, I wanna enter. Make I enter. You a bad one.
Come on, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka Power and Papi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Today's video, and I'm sure many of you guys that are new to this channel may have not experienced one of these videos before, because I haven't done one in a long time. But today's video is basically the time of the month where I come and disturb my neighbors. I vibe to the music from my favorite listens throughout the previous month, and I present to you my playlist. Okay, I preview my playlist, and I also do a segment for my artist of the month, my song of the month, and my discovery of the month, which is self-explanatory, an artist that I find out that blew my mind and I had to highlight on the channel. So definitely stick around for those segments. Discovery of the month, okay? Brand new artist. I don't know if he's a brand new artist actually. What am I saying? At least this was the first time I discovered him. So I was working on my other playlist, which is Afrobeats in Canada, and this was one of the artists that I found out about throughout the course of digging up more material for the playlist, and he just blew me away with the song, and I went to his catalog, and it's pretty solid, man. And this is an artist that you guys would like to pay attention to. His name is Loti. He did the song that I just previewed at the beginning of the song. It's called Bad One. And yeah, check him out. He's an amazing artist, great voice. He has an amazing voice, man, especially for the ladies, man. The ladies probably dig his voice even more. All right, let's cut to the chase of some bangers, okay? First off, Crown of Clay. The two giants assembled, okay? They squashed the beef and they came through for a song together. Talking Vector, I'm talking MI.
Welcome to the bloodline of the black kings. Real life,
hey,
black scenes, the
come
black
on.
church, black thoughts, black sins, Uganda, Bobby Wine, magazines, news flash, but old news like sins.
Now, this is an artist from Ghana that goes by the name of Brian De Mensa. I've absolutely loved Brian De Mensa throughout the course of his career, but this one is an absolute slapper, and he keeps getting better, man. The dude keeps improving on his music, and he just getting more finer, getting more comfortable in his zone. And this is a particular song that gets me hyped, bro. This song gets me hyped. It's called Probably Know The Finish, and it's an actual bop, man. It's an actual bop.
Probably Know The Finish. Now so we go fee high. We are me by me, yeah, I'm straight. Left me make I enjoy my life. 3 days name is straight. Small money wake on day my hand. Yeah, taking with taxes. Cause your boy snatch what's left. I fade yeah, me but down. Yeah, I'm back in my feelings. I don't know what I got talk.
You already know. Eriga and Sizu. Let's go. This is what you want. Come on. Yo, this is Young Shrimp with Cowboy Sauce remix, man. This is a slapper, guy, This is a slapper, guys. Come on. You guys trust me to put you on. Trust me to put you on, guys. Come on.
Co-hosts in the stall. 2-step right to the stall. Got new boots, don't know what it costs, but I miss it with some jeans. Now I'm dripping in sauce. Yeah, I'm dripping in sauce. Drip too clean, that's my cowboy sauce. Drip too mean, that's my cowboy sauce. Drip too clean, that's my cowboy sauce. Yeah. Drip too saucy, move like a boss.
This one is Lakon featuring YKB. Scanny, let's go. An actual slapper, man. One of my favorite Lakon songs. Let's
be like a Shaki. Be like a Shaki Baraka. Be like a Shaki Okokoro. Can't feel my face, Hosanna. Yeah, Hosanna.
Now this is Ido West. Ido West took us to celebrate this one. Where's my cowbell?
Baba motive. Anu ni mori gbade si apalodo re baba. pharmacy. Baby, she got that. No, you're not in the farm sheet. I just have to daddy. Go in the pharmacy. What's our son on there, Baba? Baba, what's there? I don't need more than this.
That Ice and Oxlade came together, man. Yo, let's go. Oxlade and his harmony.
I want to use my last cat to spoil your life. Oh, I want to go market here, market the shot. I love you. Oh, you get it the way you did do me and of yes, me no. Baby, you make me colo.
Tenny in her bag. This is Tenny in a inspirational bag. Come on.
Sometimes it feels like success is a trap.
This song connected, man.
Sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Don't be pride, don't be ego.
Hey.
Sometimes I gotta change my mind. Sometimes I gotta stay behind. Sometimes I would love to say no. Sometimes I gotta forward down top my head. Make this pressure don't go drive me insane. No.
Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to highlight my song of the month. My song of the month. Guys, it was a no-brainer for me. The first instance I heard the song, it connected. It went deep. Okay, it really cut deep. Lines from the song were stuck in my head. I kept going back to it, just unprovoked. I was just going back to the song unprovoked, and it's none other than Bounce by freaking Ruger. Okay, Ruger scatter ground with this EP. My gosh. Okay, my goodness. If you haven't seen my review of the EP yet, go check it out. Bounce, absolutely my favorite song this month.
Wiggle that booty and wine for me. So crazy, you driving me. Girl, you put it on me nicely. She riding it, I'm sliding it. Spread your two legs slightly. Oh, mama, spread them so widely. Caribbean girl won't die for me. She have to die for me, yeah. Bounce your body away, bounce you out. Girl, you go down, not to south. Sure you agree, I know fish out. Ninja boy, me not fear nothing. Me, I'm like money, and they smell like meat. In a come for you every day flaunting. Yoruba demon, and they knock anything. Burning the midnight with a Riesler. And I cock me rifle just to ease a jean.
Now for my artist of the month, ladies and gentlemen, there is no other rationale. It has to be Ruger. Ruger definitely my artist of the month. Introductory EP, Scatterground, took control of my entire airplay. Okay, like it took control. Absolutely gravitated to him the most. Shout out to a lot of artists that came strong this month as well. Crayon dropped an amazing body of work that we're yet to get to. Tenny as well, dropping a debut album as well. Freaking Rema on this feature runs that were so solid. A lot of artists showed up this month, but I have to give it to Ruger, man, on his first EP. Absolutely smashed it with this EP. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been my preview of this month's playlist. Definitely check out the playlist. Link is in the bio. Link is in the description rather. I have it on Apple Music, Spotify, and Audiomack. Okay, I came through for Audiomack, you guys. Trust me. All right, so definitely let me know. Put me on. What were your favorite listens throughout this course of the month in March? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for engaging with your boy. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka Power and Papi, and I'm signing out. Peace.